Hi everybody, this is Yuki and welcome to Draw Cute Pets. Today we're going to be drawing a cute cat wearing a frilly party hat, so let's get started. So I like to use the Sketchbook app on the iPad. You definitely don't need to be using anything fancy with a whole lot of features, just pen and marker will do. Anything that can make a nice clean line for the outline and maybe color pencils or crayons for the colors that we'll be filling in later would be perfect. So to start, we'll first make the left ear of the cat. And to do that, we'll make two curved lines that come together at the top to a point. And next to the ear is going to be the party hat. And the hat is actually going to cover part of the other ear. So we'll make the frillies for the base of the hat with these few random lines that kind of go across the bottom, and we'll actually finish up the outline of the hat before we do the other ear. So the base of it is going to be two straight lines coming towards the top but not touching, since we're going to add a few more of those random frillies at the top. I clicked backwards so that I could actually separate them out a little bit more. And then we'll do the other ear. So as I said, the ear is partially covered by the hat, so we're going to start the side of it from the middle of the party hat and wrap it up at the bottom just like the other side. Next, for the face, I'm going to start with the left ear and do basically like a rounded squarish shape all the way across to the edge of the other ear. So we'll start here, come down, then curve to the right, and then curve back up. It doesn't have to touch the ears exactly, and obviously the shape isn't exactly the same on both sides, but that'll be okay. We'll still love this cat just the same, and he'll still end up just as cute. So next, for the whiskers, I like to target just above these curves at the edge of the face. So we'll put two whiskers on each side. And then add the eyes and nose. So the eyes will be just under the inner edge of the ear. So here, and that other edge is a bit hidden because of the hat, but you can just guess just about where it might be. And the nose isn't just a dot, it's a little bit pointed towards the bottom. So we'll make this tiny triangle here. And because this cat is going to a party, obviously he's excited, so we want him to be showing that. And so his mouth is going to be this open, very enthusiastic kitty. And again, because he's at a party, I think his arms would be up. So I'm going to start with his left arm, kind of curving upwards and coming back down. And his right will be the same. And the body, I actually like the cats to be turned a little bit. So to show that, I'll put one body line starting at the edge of the arm, and the other one will actually be in the middle. Do kind of want it be a little bit more inwards. So you can see that the edge of the face basically comes down into the body a little bit closer together. And I think we can add a tail to his right side. So we'll make this little tail back here and give him some stripes. And here we have our cat. Maybe some polka dots on the party hat would be fun. So I'm going to add 3 semicircles, and for those we'll put one on each side. of the hat and then one at the bottom to give it good balance. These aren't full circles because we want it to look like the hat is actually round, even though, you know, we're drawing on a flat surface. So here we have our outline, and I think adding some color to the party hat would be fun. So for the hat itself, the middle, I want to do a hot pink, but you can pick whatever color you like. But instead of this very clear brush or pen that we're using, something like color pencils or crayons, or in my case this watercolor pen, will give it a more soft appearance. And we're just going to make sure this is what we want and start to fill in the party hat. No need to go fast, just fill in a little bit at a time. And I mentioned crayons or color pencils because we want to keep this character nice and cute and gentle looking. So instead of filling in all the cracks and spaces, I'm going to leave a little bit of white and uneven color. For the dots, I just want to use a lighter pink. But of course, these can be your favorite color. Fill in these polka dots, and to go with the pink, I think I've seen a lot of bright yellows and gold on party hats, so we'll pick a light yellow. And instead of filling in kind of the entire shape of the pom-pom on top or the frills on the bottom, I just want to focus on the middle area and really only give a little bit of color to the edges. Because everyone has seen a party hat and we know that the frillies have some color. We don't need to fill in all of that in the drawing. Same for the pom-pom. Really focus on the middle and just a touch of color on the edge. So there you have it. Here is your cat wearing a party hat. Looks like he's having a whole lot of fun. I hope you did too, drawing this with me. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw Cute Pets videos. See you later!